So hello everyone, welcome to the behind the scenes of Flexi Funnels. So पास्ट कुछ दिनों में काफ़ी सारे न्यू चेंजेस आए हैं हमारे सिस्टम में, बहुत सारे न्यू एडवांसमेंट्स आए हैं, बहुत सारे न्यू बग्स को सॉल्व किया गया है. सो मैं आपको क्विक अपडेट्स देता हूँ कि क्या क्या चीज़ें हुई है. फर्स्ट, ऑटो रिस्पॉन्डर्स जो इंटीग्रेशंस होते हैं वो डन हो गए हैं, डोमेन इंटीग्रेशंस आर डन. देन मैं बताता हूँ कि मैंने और क्या क्या चीज़ें की हैं. मैंने आज ही मैं ऑफिस गया था तो मैंने डेवलपर्स के साथ मीटिंग की कि क्या लाइक प्रोसेस है. हर वीकली हम देखते हैं कि क्या एडवांसमेंट हुआ है, क्या प्रोसेस आगे बढ़ा है, कि कितना बढ़ा है. एंड सेकंड, सेल्स टीम्स के साथ जो हमारी ट्रेनिंग्स होनी है, मैं उनको सारी चीज़ें बता रहा हूँ कि फ्लेक्सी के रिलेटेड सारे उनको ट्रेन कर रहा हूँ. तो उनकी ट्रेनिंग साथ ही साथ चालू है. मेरी उनके साथ कल ट्रेनिंग हुई थी. कल हमारे एक और दूसरे टीम मेंबर हैं जिनके साथ मैं बहुत टाइम के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, करण. तो करण के साथ मेरी मीटिंग हुई थी रिगार्डिंग जो हमारा दूसरा एक जो हम टेम्पलेट्स बना रहे हैं उसको कैसे आगे प्रोसीड करना है. थर्ड, आज मैंने टूल टिप्स है जो हमारे सिस्टम में टूल टिप्स होने वाले हैं कि कोई भी एलिमेंट आपको उसके बारे में पता रहे कि यूज़ कैसे होने वाला है, सेटिंग है उसका यूज़ कैसे होगा, उसके बाजू में इंस्ट्रक्शंस रहेंगे, उसको बना रहा हूँ और उसकी लिस्ट बना रहा हूँ. सेकेंड, एक डिफ़ॉल्ट सेटिंग्स रहेगी हर एक एलिमेंट के अंदर, तो उसके बारे में मैं रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ और उसको मेरे को डिज़ाइन करना है. इट्स टेकिंग अ बिट टाइम बट इट्स गोना बी लाइक द बेस्ट design available in the market. So yeah, this is what I am doing from past few days and I am enjoying the process. You are gonna hear some good news in the future. So अभी रात के जैसे कि 1:40 हो रहे हैं. सो बेसिकली ये हमारा नॉर्मल रूटीन रहता है, लाइक टू स्लीप अराउंड 2 to 3. सो अभी वी आर जस्ट गोना wrap it up and have a good sleep. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, take care, good night.
Hey, what's up? I wanted to show you some great stuff that's going around with respect to Flexi Funnels और जो टेम्पलेट्स हम लोगों ने रेडी करे हैं जो कि सारे कस्टमर्स को मिलेंगे ऑफ Flexi Funnels and these will be done for you templates that you can start using just like that. So they will be done for you. So अभी 100 टेम्पलेट्स यहाँ पे हैं एंड 36 टेम्पलेट्स यहाँ पे हैं जिनका कि HTML कन्वर्जन हो चुका है. जो बाकी हैं वो तो और हैं, मतलब उनका HTML कन्वर्जन अभी नहीं हुआ है. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट दिस. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस बिजनेस कोचिंग फ्री इवेंट and let's say local business dog trainer real estate agent, let's say watch and cosmetic product order page, cosmetic product, a hotel page. Alright, so all these templates are fully done for you. Fitness supplement, right? So every single category, any category that you can think of, social media marketer, health coach, SEO training course, finance and investment coach, funnel expert. Alright, let's have a look at a sales page, some digital marketing pages, let's say pre-launch page again, SaaS page. Alright, यहाँ वाली category पे आते हैं. Let's have a look at some upsell pages. Let's say this and this and probably this one. Let's open one more. And how about sales page from here? Email marketing sales page. This one. This one. Okay, so let's have a look at some of the templates. Okay, so ये वाला है pre-launch page. Have a look at this. Have a look at the quality of the template. Okay, so this was the SaaS pre-launch page, right? Uh, have a look at this. All right, again DFI templates. This is, I believe, the upsell template. Step 2, customize order. So your customer's first name will come over here and last chance to get 35% off and the offer, right? Add this to my order. Have a look at this. So this is again a upsell template. In fact, in the last template, यहाँ पे ये opt-in form नहीं होना चाहिए था. Anyways, I will get this thing corrected. So have a look at this again, upsell template. Let's have a look at this, a SaaS page, right? Again, looking great, right? A sales page, I believe. Yeah, a really good looking long sales page. Have a look at this, right? This is the kind of sales page जो कि हम अपने launches के लिए use करते हैं. Okay, so this is the page for the funnel expert. Have a look at this. Looking absolutely delicious, right? A financial and investment advisor page. Have a look at this. Okay, SEO training course. Looks awesome, right? Health coach. This looks good. Really good. Really neat and clean, right? Okay, so social media marketing page. Have a look at this. So your photograph would come over here, of course. I mean, you can replace anything in any of the pages, right? So of course, it's a drag and drop landing page builder. So आपको जहाँ पे जो भी replace करना होगा, you can do that. I guess yeah, this is the upsell page. And look at the templates. Look at the quality of the background. Look at the quality of the images. They're all top notch, right? Reviews and stuff. It's looking amazing. Hotel page. Have a look at this. Book now your room, your hotel images. So if you're working for the client, right? So your client would love to have a page like this. It's looking beautiful. Uh, have a look at this, right? A cosmetic order page looks really good. A cosmetic checkout page, right? Watch page, right? Now, I mean, अभी तक आपको देख के मजा आ गया होगा, right? And we are going to have like 500 templates over here. So this is a real estate page. So something, if you are a real estate agent, or if your client is a real estate agent or a real estate brand, they would love to use a page like this. Have a look at this. All right, what next? Dog page, dog training page. Have a look at this. Looks amazing, right? Event page. So if you want to come up with an event, so a free event ticket or paid event ticket, totally up to you. Have a look at this. Okay, double your business. So it's a funnel based page, right? Have a look at this. And then the call to action, right? So the right uh, pages with the right content, good backgrounds, good images, and the right placement of the call to action. So this is something that we have taken in, taken care of. So this is the upsell page, video, sales video, countdown timer, and then the call to action. Another upsell page with a proper VSL style page, right? Countdown timer and CTA, and then the all the deliverables and the CTA. Email marketing sales page. Have a look at this, right? So your offer VSL, and then the checkout page, sales page, long form sales page. Have a look at this, a real long form sales page, right? I mean, this is the maximum content that you would have in a sales page, with a FAQ section, money back guarantee section, pricing table section, entire features section, demo video section, everything is there, right? Testimonial section, 3 easy step, everything is there. Okay, last, so a sales page section, another sales page, proper call to action, countdown timer, everything, box shot, call to action, features, demo, bonuses, CTA with refund guarantee, countdown timer, pricing table, FAQ section, and there are so many more, right? So it looks absolutely amazing, and this is what we have in store for flexi funnels, and all these would be done for you. मैंने आपको अभी hardly 15-16 templates दिखाए होंगे. There would be 500 templates fully done for you, right? Just like these. All right, chalo, see ya. I will keep giving you updates with respect to flexi funnels. Bye bye.